Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and the executive committee. Today being the last meeting of our office, there are a couple of things that we need to look at. The agenda has 3 points. The first is the closing of accounts. The second one is the handover details, and the third is any other business. This meeting is anticipated for 15 minutes, so we will try to stick to the time. First is closing of accounts. I would request the present treasurer, Toastmaster Gopal, to just tell us if all the accounts are in place and what is the pending task, if there is anything.
Yes, Toastmaster Anthony. The records are updated, and I will share the records by tomorrow.
Okay.
It is updated.
Thank you so much. So we have got the updated records. I think the only thing pending for or rather the task for the new ExCom would be to ensure that there is a bank account in place now that we have all the documents, and we will go ahead. We will go to the next. Anybody has any questions with this one about closing of accounts? If not, we go to the next one, that is handing over of all the details. I will be having maybe a session with all the new this is what I propose, with all the new ExCom and the former ExCom. In fact, find your former ExCom role player and talk to the person in private, I would say, and just see how the role goes on. Speak to me as well. And I think I would like to guide you as to how to go about with it. If not, I think as we are leaving with a term which is more or less well ended. So you have to just take over from here. As president, I will connect with Toastmaster Abrar very soon. But as vice president, I request Toastmaster Vishal to please hand over all the member progress, and maybe assist her how it is done. That is to Toastmaster Shivani. With membership, Toastmaster Abrar, if you can please assist Toastmaster Ashley. I request Toastmaster Meenal to assist Toastmaster Saurav with the PR, with the wonderful PR that you do. Okay, please do that. The secretary's role, Toastmaster Edenan, if you could just hand over whatever is being done and just tell the new secretary, that is Toastmaster Meenal, how things functioned in your capacity, that would really help. Toastmaster Gopal, Toastmaster Manish Unitan being the treasurer, is not here at the moment, but I'm sure he has spoken to you. That's what he has told me. If not, ensure that it's being given to him. And am I missing out? Toastmaster Siona as the new SCA. I think you have pretty much things in place there. Okay, but if at all you need anything, I'm right here. So that's with the handover. Is there anything else? The official handover, that is in terms of, I will be giving the access to the new, I will be giving access of to the drive, to probably even Facebook account and whatever other accounts are there, to the new ExCom very soon. Yeah, as soon as you take over. I will also show you how to go about with the club central, and there we should be. Okay. Do we have any questions here?
Anthony, last year we submitted the club success plan after we chartered. But this year the team needs to know when they need to submit the club success plan and every other document they need to for claiming the awards.
Yeah. So the club success plan is something that you would have to do very soon. Now, for that, I will get in touch with you as your area director. Okay. I'm leaving you as your club president, but I am with you as the area director because Basco is definitely under me. Okay. So I will get back to you in that capacity.
I have one question.
Yes.
Do we have the dates for the TLTP training session?
Not yet. We will have our trainings first, but then we will share it with you. There will be an option where you can.
Because it's mandatory for the entire ExCom to attend, right? For another point.
Yes, it's mandatory that the whole ExCom attends it because there are points which are aligned to the club success. This is something that we'll be talking to you as well. Okay. Now, going ahead and sticking to the time as promised, do we have any other, let's take any other business at this point in time?
Hi, Toastmaster Anthony, this is Gopal.
Gopal.
I thoroughly enjoyed the XCOM role and thoroughly enjoyed the last 1.5 years of Toastmaster journey. There's a small update I want to give. I'm moving out of Goa. Next
Oh.
next 1 month, I'll be taking up another role at Bangalore. So I'm doubtful whether I'll continue or not, and I'll try, but probably it all depends on the situation.
I see.
So
So I think that was a trailer in the Okay. No problem. No problem, Toastmaster Gopal. But definitely, since we are online, I think we would really require your support to continue with the camaraderie that we have had right from day one. So if you could, be part of a club that way, and then the moment we go offline, or again, it's all up to you. But I think as a club, we need somebody like you who has been there with us throughout and actually performed the role, even being a non-Toastmaster first and immediately jumping in those shoes.
So, it's a pleasure. Thoroughly enjoyed the last 1.5 years.
Yes. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Any of the present XCOM wants to say something? See, y'all have only now. Later, y'all may not get a chance. Vishal, if you'd like to say something.
No, actually, it has been an excellent year. I have talked to everyone in the group. Actually, I've called up everyone. So everyone knows when I call, there's something coming up. It gives you an opportunity, plus you end up learning. And plus I come to know what is everyone up to, especially Meenal. She doesn't pick up my call anymore.
Okay. Toastmaster Meenal, how has your experience been as a VP member?
A little bit crazy and a lot fun, because normally I do the content aspect in my profession, but as a VPPR, I've also got to learn a lot about design and how to do the PR aspect, which is something that has got our club a lot of, I would say, recognition across other clubs as well, being a charter club and yet achieving so much. So currently the DCP goals that we've met is indeed a benchmark. And I would just wish the new XCOM all the best, me myself included, of course. Just one thing is, if at all there is a possibility that we do host another social, if not, then maybe we should consider having a hybrid plan if and for when we do move offline. Just that one proposal. But over and above that, thank you to the current XCOM for putting up with my over enthusiasm, and all the best to the new XCOM for having me continue with it.
Thank you, Meenal. Thank you, Meenal. Eden, would you like to say something very quickly, if you don't mind?
Eden had to get on an office call, so she's already gone.
No problem. No problem. Abrar, in a line or two, because we're closing this.
It was an amazing journey. I had a great time, and this wouldn't have been so much fun and easy without such a great XCOM and such great camaraderie between all the members. I look forward to the next role. Hopefully, it will ascend.
Yes.
And Anthony is always there. And I'm happy.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Finally, before we close, Sienna, anything would you like to say?
Yeah, I would like to thank you with my whole heart, Anthony, for doing a fantastic job. You couldn't ask for more than what you have done. That's up to you. And stay with the XCOM, give your gyan, give your experience, so that they also learn your way of leadership and enhance their leadership as well. And I wish you all the best in your new role as the area director.
Very much. Thank you. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you, Saurav. Thank you, Akanksha, for waiting back. Thank you, Meenal. Thank you, Gopal. Thank you, Abrar and Vishal, and for all the ones who were with us. With this, we end the final XCOM, and I will see you another time.